passes, and so I'll do like some rhomboid work and some other things here. So we'll come in here. I'm just gonna hold your arm for you, and then I'm just gonna come across. You okay there?
The like second flight I took was like 12 hours long.
Feeling okay with this?
Mm-hmm.
To this side too. So we'll do like a few passes on each. I'm like ultra aware of that stuff. Like if something feels like I'm awkward, like I'll move.
But that's kind of what I feel like is, I'm always moving. I'm never really in one spot for very long, so I feel like that's kind of the key. It's just to keep moving.
Yeah, transition. Do some. Yeah, I'm gonna get close. But I glue my body, I glue my body to you.
Yeah, it's like a list.
And so that this way I stay high, like in terms of like not messing up my own back.
Yeah, you do that in your activities.
What? Yes. Go ahead. I just like photo bombed.
Okay, there.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go onto your back. Side up, Tad. What is that?
Oh my god.
Is that an airplane?
Oh my god, that hurts. Oh.
Oh my, you got a headache?
Now I do.
Thanks.
Or when you push it, I definitely feel like behind my right eyeball.
Your inferior oblique there.
Oh my god, that hurts so much.
I'm gonna do something a little bit more lateral here, and then I'm just gonna open up.
Good morning.
Wow.
How we doing?
Wow. There's so much pressure in here.
Okay. So this is another common one I'll do, but I'll have to stand up now. So you relax your neck.
Okay.
I know that hurts a bit, so.
What does the compression do?
What do you mean?
Like when you're pushing, kind of compressing, is that?
Well, I was just trying to lengthen that like upper cervical region, and just like me gluing your head to my ribs allows me to lift with, and like kind of almost kind of like a deadlift position that I get into, so I can keep my back. Because if I do it from here, I have to literally lift up from my back. But if I glue your head to my chest, I get
Just move your legs.
just like kind of like squat
And then we'll
or
catch you up
deadlift.
with the other. Okay?
That's why you want it to deadlift.
Can't really deadlift right now. This head is significantly better,
Yeah.
but you can feel.
I need more time, John.
Do you want me to adjust you?
Well, you can get more time later today.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
You think it'll
Yeah, I think right there. Good job. There you go. Drop this in. Right. That was a light one. Let's go into your belly. So I'll adjust your full spine. This way.
Yeah, just
Well, I figured not only that, but you've also been working on people for last like 9 weeks out of 10.
Yeah, and
Like
A
aggressively.
lot of flights.
Jeez, you're so locked up through like this.
Look at that.
Alright, so take a breath in. And all the way up. Good. Look up for me. Good. That was easy for you, huh?
Just like really wanted to go.
Did I follow you there?
Tight.
I feel like let's go adjust you on this side so it'll face this way. Feel a little stuck in that like L5S1 area.
Yeah.
Like right through here.
Stuck.
That was easy. Where you moved? Up this side here.
I'm very
Easy to move.
movie. Yes.
Come on.
Thanks, Josh.
You're welcome.